This is an Urbinz Electric Egg Boiler. I got this at HomeGoods. It was $14.99. Let's check it out. Counter cooking. No kitchen? No problem. So I was in HomeGoods the other day just browsing around, and I saw that they had several different types of mini appliances from this brand, all with similar packaging. And I saw this egg boiler and it looked really interesting for one particular reason, which we'll go over in a minute. But first, let's go over what it says on the packaging. It says cook 6 perfect eggs in a jiffy, prevents overcooking, cook soft, medium, or hard boiled eggs. And this is the back. It says takes less time than it does to boil water on the stove. And here's the bottom, and this is what looked really interesting to me. So do you see what's going on here? This is stainless steel. So when I saw that, I was like, could this potentially be a portable mini griddle that does not have a non-stick coating, but instead has stainless steel? I don't know if it's going to heat up enough because this is created to be an egg cooker. So it could be a situation where you need to have water on the bottom. Otherwise, like, it won't work, or it'll burn out or malfunction, or maybe it won't get hotter than boiling water. I don't know. We're going to see. It says for household use only, do not immerse in any liquid. So here's what it comes with. Here is the bottom half of the appliance. You can see there's a beautiful stainless steel surface here. And then here is the cover, and this goes on like that. I guess it just sits on there. There's no real, there's nothing to like really snap it in or anything like that. There's some vent holes on top. We have this piece that goes inside to hold the eggs. And it also comes with this measuring cup, which tells us soft boiled, medium, or hard. And there's numbers there. I don't know if those numbers are like how many eggs. I'll have to look that up. It also comes with the booklet, and just as I suspected, it does have an automatic timer shut off. It says this electric egg boiler comes equipped with a precise thermal sensor, automatically turning off when the water has completely evaporated from the heating plate, accompanied by the light turning off. So that means this is going to work similar to like a rice cooker, where if it gets above boiling temperature, it's going to shut itself off. So this will not be good to use as like a mini griddle because, you know, sometimes you don't want to cook in water, but potentially it could be used for cooking things other than eggs because it's basically like a flat steamer. And then here in the user instruction and safety part, it says use the appliance only for its intended purpose, strictly for household use, avoid using it outdoors, use only approved ingredients with this appliance, other ingredients may harm the appliance. So they're basically saying only use eggs and don't use this outside and only use it for its intended purpose. So I just rinsed off the heating plate and I wanted to show you what a perfect size this is. So this is a little bit bigger than a Dash mini griddle. So here's a Dash mini griddle and here is this egg cooker. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger than the Dash mini griddle. It's not as big as the Dash 8-inch griddle, but I think it's a really nice cooking size. So this is a little bit more than 6 inches across. But look how perfectly it fits these mini pots and pans. This one fits in here perfectly. This one fits in here perfectly. So to me, it's kind of a shame that it does have that turn off sensor inside. But I do need to make some hard-boiled eggs. I am completely out of hard-boiled eggs and I do like to keep some in my refrigerator. So let's make some hard-boiled eggs. I think the first thing we're gonna need to do is measure out water. And I'm gonna make 6 hard-boiled eggs, so I'm gonna fill this up for 4 to 6. So the bottom of the measuring cup comes off and that's where the pin is. Can you see the pin? I thought this piece had a pin in the bottom, but it doesn't. This is just the handle for this. So there we have a handle for that. So I guess we're gonna pierce the bottom of the eggs. Wow. With some of these eggs, it's kind of hard to find the wider side. I mean, to me, this side looks a little bit wider, but they're almost similar. So here are the eggs, and let's put the cover on. This appliance uses 360 watts. The instructions say there's a power button on this, which is the button down here. So let's turn it on. And I have it plugged into my portable power bank. It's pulling 343 watts. We're currently fully charged at 100% power. So let's see how well this cooks and how much power we end up using. It's been about 16 minutes and the egg cooker has shut off. The light is not on and it's no longer pulling any power, and we are at 89% power in this portable power bank. So I'm gonna just turn this off and I'm gonna unplug it. And the instructions say to be very careful when opening it because of steam and to use the handles on the side, which is what I'm doing. And these are the eggs. I like to buy pasture-raised eggs. And when I was in the supermarket the other day, I saw these for the first time, Eggland's Best Pasture-Raised Eggs. I normally don't like this brand, but this was on sale, so I thought I'd give them a try. The eggs are very hot. I should probably wait before doing this. I'm grabbing a wet paper towel. This is how I store the hard-boiled eggs in my refrigerator. I just put them in a bowl on the shelf. With this one, I'm gonna rinse it under some cold water, and then let's peel it and take a look at what's going on inside. And here's the heating plate. As you can see, the water has evaporated and all we have left is the minerals from the local tap water. There's a lot of rust in the water. Here's the hard-boiled egg. And look how beautiful that is. It is just perfectly cooked. Look at that. My current favorite way to eat hard-boiled eggs is with a little sprinkling of this Old Bay seasoning. I just love Old Bay seasoning. It's spicy, but it also has really nice flavor. This one has a little bit too much on it, and this one is like just right. Perfectly cooked. Thanks so much for watching this video. If it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see reviews of more mini appliances. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.